Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen rotation not working on your Honor Magic V6. First, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and test our gyroscope. So here we unlock the phone. What we're going to do is we're going to open up Control Center and make sure that auto rotate is enabled. So now off on the exterior screen, on for the exterior screen. What we're going to do now is we're going to go over here, test our gyroscope, and as you guys can see, it is working just fine. We can see that auto wraps are also working and that our gyroscope is basically perfect. But if your gyroscope is not working, what you guys want to do is first restart the phone to reset the sensors. We're gonna go over, press the power button, volume up button at the same time. Now you want to tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. It is restarting, and now I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what are we gonna do is we're gonna update our software. We're gonna go over and unlock the phone, go to settings, and here in settings we're gonna swipe down to system and updates. We're gonna go to software update, and as you guys can see, you need Wi-Fi 4 to check the latest version. So now let me connect to the Wi-Fi, and you should be able to see if you are on the latest version. It's checking automatically. I am up to date, but if you are not, then I recommend you updating. It's very important because you want to make sure that you don't have any old glitches on your device, and that's how you guys can fix your screen rotation not working. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.